PVC Shower Pan Liner is an economical, ready-to-use liner designed for use in tile showers and other concealed waterproofing applications. Made of durable, abrasion-resistant 40mm thick flexible PVC, Shower Pan Liner is marked in 6-inch increments for easy measuring. When installing Shower Pan Liners, use X15 bonding adhesive and dam corners. Low VOC X15 PVC bonding adhesive provides a permanent watertight seal when adhering shower pan liner seams together and dam corners over the shower curb. This fast-acting adhesive creates a strong, lasting bond. PVC dam corners are preformed, flexible corners that seal the junction of the curb and door jamb where a flexible liner membrane has been used to build a tile shower installation. They have a universal design for right or left corner installations. From PVC and ABS shower drains to the cement that welds them with the DWV system, plumbers trust to provide reliable, high-quality products for a complete shower pan liner installation.